guys, it's a quick video. It's a 2017 Chevy Malibu. What's going on with this Malibu is, okay, see me just start the vehicle. The vehicle is running. See the delay with the dashboard. The radio is on. No powers. No power to the climate control. The gauge is not reading. Window is not working. Now, I check the fuse box down. Check the fuse, and when I check the fuse, I'll show you. Okay, so I want to show you testing the fuse and see what we're getting. 1.7 volts on most of these fuses in this box. You get 1.7 volts. Now, took the fuse box down. This is the main wire that comes into the fuse box to power up the fuse box. And then this one goes out. So it's another power wire. You're getting 0 on that. So let me take you up to the front. Alright, take you up to the front. And these are the fuses responsible for those. But if you test it right here, see, you get 13 volts. 13 volts, I check all them. 13.06 volts. But what the problem really is, if I go beyond the wiring, let me see if I can just do it without interfering with the car. Okay, see, I get green, no power. So that one get no power. I think in the other one, let me see if I can get this one so you can see good. Okay. Okay, you see, and I'm coming from behind the car, and we get in 1.6 volts. So the problem is the connection from the wire connector goes to this fuse block. Isn't making good contact. I pull them out and look at it. I think it's not like it's kind of wear out or burnt. So we got to change these connectors. I'm gonna repair it and then we can check it after that. Okay, we are ready to change the connectors inside the fuse block. You can see the volume is working on the radio. The gauge is working. Let's cut the air conditioner on. Flip control. Let's do the windows. So our problem is solved, and now let's just go right back here and check our power, like what we're getting, and on the main fuse block. Check it out. So we're getting 13.5 volts on that one, and all the fuses inside the fuse box is getting the right voltage. So problem solved. So if you have an issue like that, that's your problem.